everyone, so to begin this Seo inspired makeup tutorial, I'm going to apply toner onto my face first because skincare is very important. Bagong labas po yun ng Lux Organics. Again, that's White Repair Essence Toner for 350 pesos. Now I'm going to apply foundation. This one is from L'Oreal Infallible in the shade Nude Beige. Using my foundation brush, I'm going to apply it onto my face. Then spread it. This is a Seo inspired makeup tutorial. Using a beauty blender, I'm going to set my foundation. Now, I'm going to apply concealer using Maybelline in the shade Sand. Using a concealer brush, I'm going to apply it under my eyes. Pababa mga day, letter like inverted triangle or letter V. And onto my nerve endings. Beauty blender para ma-set ang concealer. Hindi po ako magaling mag-makeup, but this is just a Seo inspired makeup mga day. Now, using a banana powder from Australis, I'm going to apply it onto my face using a powder brush. Yung banana powder, meron po siyang yellow undertone, so bagay po siya sa akin mga day. And sobrang ganda niya. Now, I'm going to contour my face using Too Cool for School Art Class by Rodin. Yung sa gitna na shade mga day. And let us contour our nose first. Kasi mahaba ang nose ni Seo mga day. And mahihirapan ako dito kasi hindi po gifted yung nose ko mga day. But contour is like magagawa natin yun ng paraan. And to our Cupid's bow, contour it mga day. I'm going to erase my mole later mga day. So, some nerve endings. And then using a contour brush, I'm going to contour my entire face. First, sa forehead muna kasi malaki yung noo natin mga day. Using Everbelen na eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown, I'm going to shape muna natin yung eyebrows natin mga day. Dapat hindi masyadong mataas yung arch kasi alam natin yung mga Koreans straight lang yung eyebrows nila, but nahihirapan ako dito kasi makapal yung eyebrows ko. And yung eyebrows ni Seo is manipis. Using Vice Cosmetics eyeshadow palette in the shade yan mga day. Let us highlight our eyelids. And then yung under eyes, huwag natin kalimutan mga day. I have this new eyeshadow palette from Nichido, yung Obsession nila. I'm going to use the shade Peachy Pink na medyo metallic siya mga day, and apply it as close to the lash line as possible. Then on the outer corner of your eye, spread it on the lower corners of your eye. Sa kabila din, huwag kalimutan. Curl your lashes mga day. I'm going to use a brown eyebrow gel for this look, yung sa Shawil in the shade number 1, and I'm going to mix it with Nichido eyeliner, yung black. Mix the two colors para hindi masyadong strong your color mga day, and gawan natin ng parang eyeliner. So be careful mga day, para medyo mild lang ang color. And yung wings, huwag natin kalimutan. Konting wings. Using yung Nichido eyeliner, gawin natin yung wings ulit para mas klaro mga day. But sa wings lang na part. So, quick tip, basahin nyo po yung brush para mas maka-pick up siya og eyeshadow mga day. And then again, apply it as close to the lash line. My gosh, ang ingay. And then sa kabila, Taiwan lang na eyelashes, 99 pesos sa Beauty Manila, walang coronavirus. Para mas madali siyang i-apply, I cut it and then I build it up. And then curl your lashes. Sobrang haba naman ng lashes kaya kailangan natin putulin mga day. So I'm going to use this peachy blush into it in the shade Cantaloupe. And then yung brush nyo, apply nyo po sa apples of your cheeks. And sa kabila din. Using Maybelline's concealer in the shade Sand, apply nyo po sa upper lip nyo. Mag-transform po tayo kasi makapal yung lips natin. Using Revlon Color Burst lipstick in the shade 203, I'm going to apply it as yung base color sa aking lips. Maliit pa yung lips ni Siri, kaya kailangan ko po siyang i-draw again. And then, parang niliitan ko po yung aking lips, mga day. Using Nude in the shade Rouge Blossom, parang neon pink po siya na lipstick, mga day. I'm going to apply it sa inner part ng aking lips, parang ombre. Using Vice Cosmetics multi-purpose eyeshadow palette, I'm going to highlight my Cupid's bow again para medyo shiny, shimmery, splendid tingnan ang ating upper lip and yung lower lip. And we're done! So, kinsa man jud, si Siri o si Seo Dan? Charot lang. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really admire Siri, and she's such a strong, empowered woman. She's so independent and she's very brave, and this makeup tutorial is just inspired by her look. I'm not trying to look like her kasi hindi po ako magaling mag-makeup, but inspiration ko lang po siya to complete this look. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, follow me on my Instagram account, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Mukbang mga day. Bye!